Don't you dare yell at us.
No. I'm not yelling.
Step out of the vehicle.
Get out of the car or else I'm going to yank you out.
Step out.
Get out.
Step out.
You're going to go in handcuffs. Do you want to go in handcuffs?
But we didn't do anything.
Step back.
I explained it to her why I'm asking her out of the vehicle.
On August 26, 2025, Naperville, Illinois officers conducted a retail theft investigation that raises critical questions about lawful authority during traffic stops.
Hello.
Uh-oh. What happened? Uh-oh.
Hi, how are
Hey,
you?
how do you do?
Good.
Good. Do you have your driver's license on
I
you?
do.
Thank you.
Okay,
Hello,
what would
miss.
you guys want? Because let me tell you something.
Don't you dare yell at us.
No. I'm not yelling, officer.
Oh, that's just how you talk?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Here, can you... Oh, you reaching for your purse, miss?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I got you. Here, can you step out real quick? I don't know that... I can't see where you're reaching. I'm sorry.
Oh, wait.
Come on out real quick.
Here, we're going to do this right here. It's my driver's license.
Okay, I need you to step out, okay, real quick?
For what?
Mavis?
Yes.
That's you? Okay, come on out real quick.
Wait, what is this about? What is this for, though?
Because I'm asking you out real
Why?
quick. Just don't hit me with the car door.
Okay.
Thank you. Come on back here real quick.
Why?
Come on back here. I want to talk to you.
Oh.
Okay.
What's going on?
No, nothing. He's back in the suck because he's a nice guy. So, okay, so you're getting stopped for she didn't have her seatbelt on. You missed signaling a couple times. Okay.
Oh.
And then, so you got just distracted having a conversation.
Yes.
That's all you
Yeah.
did? Okay. Is this, was this a rental car?
It is.
Okay. Is there, you don't have to get it right now. Is there rental documents in the car and everything?
I have documents.
Okay, I got you. Okay. And you rented it? Not that I care.
No.
Could be anybody.
My boyfriend, Steve.
Okay. Good Steve. Good old Steve. Okay. Do you have insurance?
I do.
And that's in the car too. You can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When we were pulling you over, we noticed that you were reaching around. What were you just moving?
Nothing. No, nothing. Sir, I don't have guns. I'm a pretty good woman on most days.
I can tell.
I'm all right. I'm all right. And I respect the blue.
Okay,
I respect officers.
Appreciate
Yeah.
that. Appreciate that. I didn't think necessarily.
Oh, I thought you thought something was wrong. I'm like, wait a minute.
Well, we got to make sure. Usually,
Exactly.
when we turn the lights on and never see a lot of movement, it does make us worried. So let me have you for just one quick second. Let me have you come right over here, okay?
Well, I gotta stand outside.
I'll talk to you in a sec. You guys step back
Okay,
here.
I'm right here.
Hey, thanks for backing us up. Appreciate it. Come on, get on out now.
Why?
Because we told you. You're going to be under arrest. You ever been arrested before?
No.
Well, then get out of the car.
So whatever.
Get out of the
So
car.
I need to turn off the car, right?
What? Step out of the vehicle.
Get out of the car
Why is
or else
he
I'm going to
asking
yank
me
you out.
to-
Get out. Get out.
Step out.
You're going to go in handcuffs. Do you want to go in handcuffs?
But we didn't do anything.
Step back.
I explained it to her why I'm asking her out of the vehicle. When you were grabbing something when we stopped you and you're going to throw it in the back, I don't know what you're grabbing.
Okay, put her in handcuffs. Put her in handcuffs. Put her in handcuffs. You're going in handcuffs. You come up even one step on us, you're going to jail. Do you understand?
Yes. What's happening?
Negative. You call somebody over here, you're going to jail. Somebody gets over here, you're going to jail. If someone shows up.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. What do you mean?
What you mean? What I mean?
Thank you, sir. He's doing his job. That's it. I don't know. Right, sir. All right. I heard you a million times.
What is your name, miss? No, remember what I told you?
Just stay over
Remember
here.
what I told you?
He's not going to do anything they're not supposed to do with us.
You can't see the white facial hair? Correct. No, we're all above board, okay? Okay. Brock, could you just grab name and date of birth for her? You're not listening. Over here.
No, but I'm asking you, is it because of the receipts? You want to see receipts? What happened? No, wait. No, I'll go over there, sir. I'll go over there. She's going. Sir, I'm
Put your hands on
wait, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, sir, please.
Then you should be a better listener.
No, listen.
Back up.
Stop.
Please.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You don't listen.
Get the phone. That's my phone. And somebody.
I'm gonna put it in the car. You stay here because you will listen, right? You're gonna go stand back here.
Yes.
Please stand back here. I'm gonna put this in the car.
Listen. What did I do wrong?
Hey, Brock, just put her in the car so we can talk.
Excuse me, officer. Why are you detaining me?
Because you don't listen.
I don't have a problem. I have my child I need to get to. My child, sir.
Maybe you should listen.
No, listen.
Get in the car. I really don't want to talk to you. I really don't want to talk to you.
Wait, I want to talk to the officer.
What DSW store were you at?
Right here.
The one in Naperville?
Can I get you the receipts?
No, right now. You just went on a shopping spree today, huh?
Well, yeah, we're ready to go back to school for kids.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I'll talk to you real quick. No. Gonna be processed
Why?
for obstructing.
I didn't obstruct you.
I asked you 17 times to get out of the car.
Hey,
You're-
he said that he's gonna process me for obstructing officer.
Yes, that's correct. Would you like to explain just exactly how you acquire all these goods and do these returns?
No, it's not. No, it's not goods and returns. Okay, we have some stuff we were taking back to get some other stuff. I have receipts for everything.
So which store did that TJ Maxx bag full of school supplies come from? So you didn't make that purchase?
No, I didn't purchase
Or
it.
return or whatever it was?
No. I don't know what happened. It was just a simple exchange, as far as I know, and then ended up spending more than what she wanted to spend. And that was it.
Okay. From what I understand, nothing was actually paid for in the long run out of pocket. There was returns made. You guys or whoever she made the transaction. They weren't. You guys didn't actually.
No. Yes, we did purchase. We did purchase. She had a $45 something or whatever. Like the rest of the charge that they put on the card was $167 or something. So it was like a pair of little glasses or something. That was it. Well, as far as all I know is
The legal foundation begins with Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided by the Supreme Court in 1977. This landmark case established that officers conducting a lawful traffic stop may order the driver to exit the vehicle without any additional justification beyond the stop itself. Maryland versus Wilson in 1997 extended this authority to passengers holding that officer's safety outweighs the minimal intrusion. Here, officers had probable cause for the stop based on Illinois traffic violations. No seatbelt under 625 ILCS 5/12-603, and failure to signal under 625 ASIM LCS 5/11-804. When the passenger refused to exit after repeated commands, she violated Illinois law 720I LCS 5/31-1, resisting or obstructing a peace officer, which prohibits knowingly resisting authorized acts. The statute has 3 elements. The person must knowingly resist, the officer must be a peace officer, and the act must be authorized. All 3 elements were clearly met here. Regarding use of force, Graham versus Connor from 1989 requires that force be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of application. The Supreme Court held that reasonableness must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. Here, officers used only verbal commands, physical escort holds, and handcuffs after 17+ refusals to comply. This progression through the force continuum was textbook and legally sound. The retail theft charges stem from Illinois law 720 ILCS 5/16-25, which defines retail theft as knowingly taking merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its full retail value. Critically, subsection B states that retail theft becomes a Class 4 felony when the offender has a prior theft conviction and the value exceeds $300. Both subjects had prior felony theft convictions, elevating these charges. Under the Fourth Amendment, the automobile exception established in Carroll versus United States allows warrantless vehicle searches.
the DSW was fine. That was nothing to that one. As far as the office supplies, she had got them earlier. You know what? I think that's her wrong. But yeah, we didn't go to any office store today.
Okay, she's gonna be charged. Okay, there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. She obstructed. She didn't listen. I'm taking all the merchandise, I'm taking all the receipts, and conducting additional investigation.
Oh, come on. The stuff that I told you, that at least mine, did you just let me keep it with?
We'll see. I got a lot to go through here, so give me a minute. Okay, fair enough. I'm gonna be honest with you. All right? You're gonna go to jail.
Why?
For the backpack.
No, not me. I got a receipt. I have a
Not with that.
on that bank charge. I have it. I have it
They
on
just
my
confirmed it.
no on the bank statement. So I can show you. They charged Dick's
They just
Sporting.
confirmed it.
They
It's all a big
charged $157 and another $157.
I'm just being honest with you. So you're gonna go to jail. I don't want you to cause a scene like her.
If I show you the receipt, they charge actually in my bank statement just now. They charged $157 and $157. That's $314. You did double charge.
All right, so I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, okay? Are you gonna kick and scream and
Why
shout
am I
like
going
her?
to have to? I didn't take anything from the
Hon,
store,
I just
though.
told you. Give me your other hand, please. Thank you very much.
I didn't take anything from there.
All right. Well, like I said, when you go to
But I told you that.
when you go to court, okay? Well,
You gotta bring everything.
I got no
then.
choice. You're right.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, miss. All right.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's waiting for.
That girl knew that she didn't ring that thing up.
Oh.
I know.
Excuse me, the girl didn't ring the backpack on purpose.
Stop getting in my partner's face.
No, because what is going on?
Charged with assault.
That'll be figured out in court.
Yes, relax.
It's always the truth gonna come out. You ain't gotta worry about that. The truth is gonna come out eventually. If you
Because why would she tell him that though?
Yes. Relax.
I'm not trying to do that way. I'm wondering why he's not answering the question.
Yo, Angela, talk to you.
Yes.
She's
Is
been.
he gonna be the one talking?
Relax.
What do you got to do is all
You're
right.
making it bigger than what it is.
Yeah,
Relax.
just come over here.
You all right?
He's not explaining anything, so I have no idea
I've explained it
why
all.
I'll
I'm
explain it to you.
I've explained it all to you.
Why are you explaining
I've
it?
explained it all numerous times, okay?
You told me that I was being arrested for obstruction for not wanting to get off the grass.
No, for not getting out of the car when I asked you 17 times, and then you decided to sit back in the car.
Because I'm pregnant.
That doesn't mean you don't have to follow commands given by an officer.
What is the point of me not? Okay, you're right, Auntie. I can listen to him.
Just move to the side. If you press this button right here, set up an alarm.
Okay. Yeah, that has nothing to do with my aunt.
Oh, thanks.
When officers have probable cause to believe the vehicle contains evidence of a crime. The plain view doctrine applied here. Merchandise visible through windows combined with surveillance observations provided probable cause. Now let's evaluate how each party handled this encounter. Naperville officers receive a B+. They established lawful basis, correctly applied Mimms authority, and used reasonable force. However, earlier disclosure of the theft investigation and clear explanations could have prevented escalation. Jessica, the passenger, receives a D-. She refused 17 lawful commands, violated Pennsylvania versus Mimms authority, committed obstruction under 720 ILCS 5/31-1, and made incriminating admissions. Her claim that pregnancy exempted her from compliance shows fundamental legal misunderstanding. Monique, the driver, receives a C-, better initial cooperation than Jessica, but she interfered with the investigation and possessed a theft detection device remover illegal under Illinois law because such devices have no legitimate purpose. 3 critical lessons emerge from this case. First, Pennsylvania versus Mimms is absolute. During any lawful traffic stop, you must exit the vehicle when ordered. No explanation is required and refusal is obstruction. Second, the time to argue is in court, not on the street. Officers enforce law, judges determine guilt. Refusing commands only adds charges. Third, prior convictions have severe consequences. What would be misdemeanor retail theft becomes a felony when you have prior theft convictions under Illinois law. Your criminal history follows you and elevates every subsequent offense. Understanding these principles protects your rights and prevents additional charges. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Law and Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.